Okay. What do you do? Draw?
Fighter jet.
Okay.
I will route 2026.
2026?
Yes.
Okay. You draw.
No. I will put the missile on the. I will put the missile on roof.
Is there a missile on the roof?
I will put the missile on the roof.
Or under?
I cannot put in the on under.
Why?
I will put it now on here. Atomic bomb.
Ah, you put an atomic bomb?
Yeah.
It will fly to Dubai?
No.
To Iran?
No. Yes.
Okay. Then show to me if you're finished, okay?
I will load
Many.
atomic bomb.
Those bomb you send it to Iran?
Will send into Iran. Because the Iran bomb the Dubai is already done.
Because Iran bombing Dubai?
Yeah.
Ah. So you will revenge to Iran?
I will teach the Iran a lesson.
Ah, you teach a lesson?
I will launch now the atomic bomb.
Oh.
I think the Iran is done. I see a house.
Oh. Can you draw the bomb? Explosion? Oh, an atomic bomb is like a mushroom. Oh. Is that your jet fighter?
Yes. The Iran is done. I think my fighter jet is get shot by a missile.
Uh-huh. So, you're already
About to crash.
about to crash. So, you're not a good
No.
pilot if you're going to be crashed.
The missile hit me.
So how can you revenge if you're already about to crash? Ah,
Oh my god. Aircraft carrier already exploded.
So you're already lost. Huh?
The fight. But the atomic bomb still fall down.
Falling down to
Iran. Already still all of the atomic bombs scattered all around of China.
including China. You bomb China.
I bombed China too.
Ah. Why did you bomb China?
Because the missile are out of control.
Ay, out of control. Ay. Tingnan nyo guys yung bata kung ano pinagsasabi. Yung jet daw niya nagre-rebel sa Iran. Nag-out of control, tinamaan din ng China. Yung missiles, nag-out of control yung missiles, tinamaan ng China.
Nagtamaan din ng kwan ko. Ang kwan
Kasi
ko.
tinamaan ka rin, tinamaan yung jet mo rin.
Opo, nahati na.
Ah,
Nahati na ang jet ko.
so so you don't have any supplies of bomb?
The missile already exploded all around on the bomb is all one bomb is thrown into a water and exploded.
Yeah. Ayan, guys, kung ano pinagsasabi na ng bata. Yan ang ginagawa niya pag walang kuryente. Ay, si
That's
Bian.
the missiles.
Okay.
It's already thrown away. Oh, why is not working?
Not working. No more ink.
I think
You use the other one.
it's no more into.
Ah, there's no more ink too. So stop it.
I have a in here.
Hmm.
There's a penny. There's a penny inside it. Look. Bro, what is that?
Okay, say bye-bye.
Wait lang. Oy! Bro, what's that?
Are you finished? Are you done?
Yeah.
So you have to say goodbye to your viewers.
Not still. I'm not done drawing.
Okay, you say bye-bye to them.
I not done drawing.
Ah.
I will draw my.
But you have no more ink.
Then let's buy a no ink.
So you have to say bye-bye to your viewers now. Okay?
Okay.
Say bye-bye.
Look,
Please watch.
look that. That's my aircraft carrier. It's like. And the one is crashed on
On the water. Are you survive?
no.
Why?
I still on the front driving.
But you're crushed.
I already died.
You already died.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 Aw, 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 aw. Aw, aw,
Guys, so, ayan yung alaga ni Daddy Lo. Ang daming alam na salita. Nagsasalita ng Tagalog, Ilocano, English. Baka mamaya magsasalita na rin ng Ibanag.
Hindi ako magsasalita ng ibang nag. Hindi ko naman alam magsalita ng ibang nag.
Sige na. Say bye-bye, Garod.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye na. Ayun na, guys.